Hey class, here is how you make a comparison chart in Google Docs. This is take 2. You create a blank document. I like to put a few blank lines in there so I've got some wiggle room. You insert a table, and I'm going to be comparing, I guess, 3 columns and about 5 things here. And I'm calling this drugs used by different artists because this showed up in a Google search. I am not encouraging drug use. It seems to be like a good way to hurt yourself. So here we've got some data: Van Gogh, Absinthe, and Digitalis. Vincent Van Gogh, Absinthe, and Digitalis. And then the other artists we have are, let's see what we got here. What are these crazy artists doing? Thomas Kincaid, Alcohol and Valium. Okay, and as you can tell, this is pretty straightforward. Let's just add one more and then do some other things. Andy Warhol, Obitrol. I don't even know what that is. Oh, a predecessor to Adderall. Okay, now I get it. So we've got Andy Warhol, and he used Obitrol. All right, and then we'll put Dr. Crane, even though I'm not an artist, and I'm a big fan of Zip Fizz, which has organic caffeine in it, and L-theanine, which provides for a smoother caffeine rush. And I have prescribed methylphenidate, which, yes, looks a lot like meth, but it's legal. And then finally, I'm going to have random student, and their drug of choice is going to be CBD oil, which I also kind of like. It's legal, it's an anti-inflammatory, it's relatively safe, you don't get high from it. It reduces my anxiety, but we'll just assign that to random student. So here's some choices here, right? Drug used by different artists. We might want to make this bold. We're going to label it, and honestly, it looks better at the bottom. We'll go like this. Figure 1. What do I do here? That looks okay. Drugs used by different artists. I don't know why this gap is here. I'm in too big of a time crunch to fix it right now, but let's pretend that I fixed it, okay? And I don't know how to assign an integrated caption to a chart, but I believe you can do it in Microsoft Word. I'll go check that out and show it to you in a minute. So here's a simple chart. Now, if you look at this, we've got a lot of empty space here. So we want to bring this over so that we don't have extra stuff going on. Now, a lot of empty space here and a big long line of things right here. So let's go like this. It automatically wrapped this. I think that chart looks a little more tidy, but uh-oh, we've got this figure thing down here that's in the wrong place. So let's go over here, and the chart is left aligned. I don't know how to fix this problem, so if I figure it out, I'll put it in the discussion and let you look at it. My apologies for... Okay, here's the jankiest, laziest way to fix it ever, is to hit tabs. Totally just weak sauce. A terrible way to do it. If I figure out a better way to fix this problem with the table alignment, I will post it in the discussion rather than experiment and draw this video out any longer. Thank you.